بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أبناء وبناتي الأعزاء طلبة الصف الأول اعدادي لغات، ازيكم يا ابنائي؟ عاملين ايه؟ يا رب تكونوا بخير. النهارده إن شاء الله هنحل موديل نمبر 6 من مذكره توجيه الدقهليه لعام الدراسي 2025. نشوف مع بعض موديل نمبر 6. Number 1, choose the correct answer. Number 1, in the experiment of throwing a Faraday once, how many times of a pairing number divisible by 3? We have 3 and 6. Those numbers can divide it by 3. Then the number of two digits 2 from 6, the result will be 2 over 6 simplest by divided by 2 numerator and numerator. 2 divided by 2 1, 6 divided by 2 equal 3. The result will be 1 over 3 in the simplest form. Choose letter A. Quarter of the number 2 power 20 meaning divided by 4. Quarter meaning divided by 4 and 4 equal 2 power 2. Then 2 power 20 over 2 power 2, we can find the difference between two powers. 20 minus 2 equals 18. Then the result will be 2 power 18. Next question. The height of trapezium is 4 cm. The length of each two parallel pieces 4 cm and 12. Then the area equal. We can find the area equal half the sum of two bases produced by the height. We have two bases parallel was 4 and 12. We can write 4 plus 12, two bases divided by 2 produced by corresponding height 4. Okay, then the area equal half of 16 times 4. Half of 16, 8. 8 times 4 equals 32. The result will be 32 square centimeter. Simplify the simplest. Cubic root of 125 over 27 plus square root of 25 over 4 subtract by 3 over 2 power 2. Cubic root of 125, it will be 5. Cubic root of 27, 3. Square root of 25, 5. Square root of 4, 2. 3 over 2 power 2, it will be 9 over 4. And then we can find the least common multiplication between denominators. 4 and 2 and 3, 12. 12 is the least common multiplication. We can write 12 down here to write the least common multiplication between three fractions. 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 5, 20. 2 times 6 equal 12. 5 times 6 equals 30. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 9 equal 27. And then write 12 in numerator and 20 plus 30 equal 50. Subtract by 27. Write 12 and 10 minus 7 equal 3. 4 minus 2 equal 2. The result will be 23 over 12. And then you can simplest write 12 and write 1 as the difference between them equal 11. The result will be 1 and 11 over 12. Okay. Next example. Choose the correct answer. 39 product by 10 power negative 8 equal k times n. K times 10 power negative 7. We want to find k. We can find the k by divided left hand side by right hand side because this coefficient of k. Then k equals 39 product by 10 power negative 8 over the coefficient of k 10 power negative 7. Then the value of k equal 39 product by 10 power negative 8 plus 7. Change the sign here because we divided two bases equality. Then the value of k equal 39 product by 10 power negative 1. The result will be 39 product by 1 over 10. It will be 39 divided by 10. The result will be 3.9. 3.9. Choose letter B. Next question number 2. X power 4 plus x power 3 plus x power 2 over x power 2 equal. We can write x power 4 divide x power 2 equal x power 2. X power 3 divide x power 2 equal x. X power 2 divide itself, it will be 1. This the result will be x power 2 plus x plus 1. Question number 3. The image of the point with translation x plus 1 ay. We have the point 3 and 4, the translation x plus 1 and y. 3 plus 1 equal 4 and y right here. 4 and 4 is the image. Next question. Simplify the expression. 2x minus 3 product by 2x plus 3 8 to 9. Then 2x times 2x 4x power 2. Negative 3 times 3 equal negative 9. 8 to 9. Then we can cancel the similar by the different sign. Right, 4x power 2. At x equal 10, then the value will be equal 4 product by 10 power 2. It will be 4 product by 10 power 2 will be 100. Then the result will be 400. Next question. Choose the correct answer. Cubic root of square root of 64. The cubic root of square root of 64 equal 8. 8 times is 64, and the cubic root of 8 it will be 2. And the result will be 2. The image of the point 0 and 7 with reflection y-axis. Reflection at x-axis we must put y-axis, put x and change the y-axis here. Because the point 7 and 0 and 7 lies on y-axis, then the image will be the same point. The result will be 0 and 7. Reflection on y-axis, put x and change the sign, put y and change x sign of x. 0 non-negative and non-positive, or you can write 0 and 7 here. In the image of y-axis it will be the same point. Next question. The area of square whose diagonal is 10 cm equals area equal half diagonal power 2. The diagonal here was 10 power 2 100. Then the area equal half of 100, it will be 50 square centimeter. Next question. Draw angle 120 degree bisected with compass and ruler. We can use the ruler to draw the ray first, because the angle contains of two rays, union two rays, intersection at one point. Is this point we call this the vertex of the angle, like this. And this draw by using protractor, start from 0 to going 120 degree, and then draw by the ruler. Then you can use the compass to draw the arc, the sections, two rays and 2 points. Start from this point, draw the arc, and going to the second point intersection, draw the other arc, and here, and then go and bisect it to equality angle. Next question. If the quotient of division by x minus 4 where x equal 4, he won't find the quotient. What is the quotient? Okay, we can write the long division. Right here is the dividend, x power 2 minus x minus 12 divided by x minus 4, and x power 2 divided by x equal x, and then x times x power 2, x times negative 4x, change the sign, can cancel. Negative x plus 4x equal 3x, and then drop negative 12. 3x divided x equal 3, and then write 3 times x equal 3x. 3 times negative 4, it will be negative 12, and then change the sign. And the quotient here will be x plus 3. This is the quotient, will be x plus 3. Okay. Next question. Find solution set of the equation, the inequality in Q. We have inequality 3 minus 2x less than or equal to 7. We must move 3 here. Then negative 2x less than or equal to 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, 4. Then negative 2x less than or equal to 7 minus 3, 4. And then we can divide the coefficient and change the direction of the sign here. Negative, change the sign. We must change the sign because we divided by negative 2. If we divided by negative number, we must change the sign. then x greater than or equal to 4 divided -2, it will be -2. Then the solution set x such that x belonging to q and x greater than or equal to -2. Next question. The coordinate plane drawing a triangle ABC in which A and B and C, then find the image with rotation around 0 by angle 180. Okay, first step, we can write the points A, B, and C. We have triangle, okay, and then you can find the image of this triangle. We have the point A. The order here was 1 and 1. Then the image around 0, rotation by the angle 180 degree. We can change the sign of x and y. And the point B, the order was 5 and 1. The rotation will be B dash, -5 and -1. And point C, 5 and 6 in D dash equal -5 and -6. And then we can draw by the ruler x-axis and the y-axis. They are perpendicular at the point. This point we called it original point. 0 and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, -2, -3. And then put the point A 1 and 1. Start from 1 going to 1. Here to point A. Point B 5 and 1. 5 and 1. And point C 5 and 6. And then draw by the ruler line segments ABC triangle like this, okay? And the rotation A dash -1 and -1, B dash -1 and -1, C dash -5 and -6. -5 and -6, and then draw the triangle. Okay, we have two triangle A, B, C, and A dash, B dash, rotation around 0 by angle 180. We change the sign of x and y only. Next question. In experimental Turing rule I once find the probability of appearing a number more than 6. Okay, the number more than 6. First step, we can write space randomly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And question number 1, put a event reverse to the number more than 6 will be null set. We haven't a number more than 6, since the probability of A it will be 0. And number 2, number satisfies inequality. X greater than or equal to 1 less than 6, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In the probability of B, it will be 6 over 6, it will be equal 1. And number satisfies inequality. Number 3, x greater than 2 less than 4, it will be 3. In the probability of this event, it will be 1 over 6.